Okay, today we're making chicken and rice. So I'm going to use a whole bird, whole one. Okay, I don't know how much she weighed either, but anyway, just a whole chicken. So I already used one whole purple onion, one stalk of celery, I already got this stuff cut up so it can be faster. So here I got parsley and cilantro, about 5 stalks of each. And that's 1 serrano and about 4 small cloves of garlic. Put those right in there. That's good. So next we're gonna throw some seasoning on top. Okay, I'm back. Now I'm gonna take, I have a stick of butter, put that in here, and this is just regular butter. So if I could have controlled, if it was real butter, I could have controlled the salt content, but I can't. So just take that in there. So I'm gonna use about 3 tablespoons soy sauce. And if you're not measuring, just cover it. Just lightly cover the top of it. And that's about enough. So now, and I'm trying to move from seasoned salt. So we're gonna go without that today. And chop chives, a little bit of those, and these are in the onion family, I believe. Some basil, just a little paprika, just a little over the top. Not that you don't have to put that much. And it looks like a lot of stuff on here, but remember, this is a whole chicken. And a little bit of sage. Not a lot, because it could be overpowering, especially with black pepper and salt. So just cover the top. Now I love black pepper, so I use a little bit extra. Now here's where you want to be careful. I like to, don't pour it in directly from the pack. Pour it in your hand first. And that part right there is probably too much, but I'm gonna make sure it's kind of chopped up. And I'm gonna control how much it is, because this is potent. And it's better to use, I'll do one more pinch. It's better to use less and build up if you need it later than have it be salty. So So then what we're gonna do is add about a liter of water. Okay, grab another. Let's fill it up. For me, it doesn't have to be covered all the way, and then you can use your lid to cover it. So I'm going to take a spoon, and I'm actually going to scrape a little bit, and I'm going to push it inside of the bird. Okay, turn that on medium. I'm gonna put away all this stuff first, but turn this on medium and then put the lid on, let it cook. We'll be back. It's been an hour. Wanna check? I'm talking on this video, but I just want to check on this chicken. Dang, it's breaking apart. So, at this point, I'm actually breaking apart. You want to separate it, put some aside. This is the time. Well, not right now. Let it turn over first. Ooh. Be careful. Okay. There's so many bones in this area. This probably would be this is a good piece to put away and put up separately. Enough. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and add our rice and more water. So I broke this apart a little bit, and I'm gonna add it back into it, and I'm gonna let all of this go for about 30 minutes more. It needs to be more tender than this. So just add that back, cover it back, and let it go. I think I'm gonna add some more water. About a liter. Do that. It's been 30 minutes. Right? Okay. Now this is a little bit more of what I was looking for the first time. Okay. So I'm just gonna take half of this, put in a bowl to use for something else. could be the bones, whatever. Just take half, like this part I'm gonna take. Mostly like breast meat. Yeah, that right there. Okay. And the rest I'm gonna leave. Now if you see big bones, just go ahead and take those out. Throw them away. Give them to a dog if you got one. Throw it to a dog. Yes, these hands are washed. Something like that. You have kids, might just want to turn it off, let it cool off, or add some cool water, then go in and take away the bones. But here, we don't need to do that. Okay, be back for the next part. So I'm gonna measure 3 cups, about 3 cups, turn the bowl, and then I'm gonna go rinse this off. Get that. Okay, so rinse a few times. Can I get back? I'll put it in there. And that was about 2.5 to 3 cups, give or take. I think I may add one more. This is about one. Okay. Leave this for about 30 minutes, medium. Then go do that. This is over here drying, if you're wondering. I almost forgot about it. More water. It's just some Castille Soap. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Last ingredient. And you can take. Okay. If you want to. I prefer just putting it in the bowl. Okay. Put a little water in there. Just like that. Put it in. Whoa. Okay, now turn it back on. You don't want to add that much water. It is on high. One more butter, the other half. Let's start it better. Okay. A bit black pepper. And that's it. Let's let that butter melt. Take that out. Turn it off. Taste. Yep, that's good. No salt, nothing. There you have it. Chicken and rice. Thanks for watching.